Dale here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your MoneyGram order status. Checking status has never been easier here in MoneyGram since you can go to their website directly and go to the help center and then find the transfer. First, you'll have to go and just go help center and find the transfer. From there, you'll have to place your reference number, the sender's last name, sender's date of birth, and the receiver's last name, and then confirm I am the sender of this transaction, then find this transfer. Once it's found the transfer, you can track it from there. And it's just that simple. As you can see, you can just go to the MoneyGram website, as you can see right here, and then you'll be able to go to the help center and then track a transfer right here, and then there you go. So there's also other things you can do here in the help center. You can cancel a transfer and even edit a transfer while it's happening in MoneyGram. So if you want to track one, you can do so right here in their help center. It's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.